Hi, this is Beth Ann. I'm here creating power, passion, and fun. Today I want to talk to you about a lesson I learned about connection with my higher source, my higher power. Wow, what a beautiful lesson this is too. The lesson of when things are a lie, when thoughts that come into my head are a lie, when they're not true, I feel sick, I feel stress, I feel worry, I feel pain. And when I feel these feelings, these emotions, then I know whatever information or whatever words just came into my head is actually a lie. And my higher power, my higher source, does not lie to me. There's truth in there. And there's been a lot of lies that have been presented to us as humans, as people. It has been one lie after another. And we get the opportunity to untangle that lie. So for me, a tool that I've learned is to recognize the emotion and the feeling that's coming with it, and recognizing when a lie is a lie by how I'm feeling, how it makes me feel ill or sick or stressed or worried. If I have any kind of negative emotion with whatever words are coming into my head, it's a lie. So my invitation to you is to start really looking at what thoughts are coming into your head, and in creating and in healing the connection between you and your higher power, between you and your higher source. Finding the truth in the words that come into your head, and looking and asking and questioning each word. Is this truth? Is this from my higher source? Is this really true, or is it a lie? And if it's a lie, let it go. Love to you all. Peace.